reducing carbon, one building at a time.
Let's talk about the process of how a CarbinX unit operates. In this demonstration, we're going to show a Patterson-Kelley boiler with a minimum rated input of 240,000 BTUs. This appliance will be vented to atmosphere, as with most gas-fired heating appliances. In this animation, we're going to show cold process water being fed to the boiler. The boiler is then going to turn on to heat the water, and hot process water is supplied to the building. From this activity, we produce carbon dioxide and waste heat. A CarbinX unit is then placed within the area of the venting of the heating appliance. A portion of the flue gas is then directed to the CarbinX unit for processing, where we remove the waste heat and the carbon dioxide. The flue gas is then returned to the vent that we pulled the initial flue gas from. From this action, we then reduce the amount of carbon dioxide and waste heat. The stored energy within the CarbinX unit is then directed back into the cold process water for the boiler. This is known as an economizer, which reduces the amount of natural gas that this boiler requires to meet the heating demands for the building. The chemical within the CarbinX unit can then be extracted, removed, and turned into a variety of different products used in multiple industries. CarbinX units have been in operation for more than a decade. We start by doing more with what's already there, capturing waste heat and carbon that would otherwise be lost and turning it into usable value. Most carbon capture systems cost an order of magnitude more than a CarbinX unit. This technology is designed to fit inside real buildings with real budgets and real operating constraints. The carbon we capture doesn't disappear. It becomes something tangible, closing the loop and turning emissions into a physical resource.
For more information, visit CarbinX.com.